Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Maps not working on iPhone error. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, simply the first solution is restart app or iPhone. So guys, restart your map apps and iPhone. So I'm going to restarting my iPhone now. So tap to turn off. And so guys, after restarting your iPhone, the second solution is turn off and on again Wi-Fi. So here is Wi-Fi, turn this off and connect again. So after connecting your Wi-Fi again, the next solution is guys, enable location services for your maps app. So simply open settings, scroll down scroll down and tap on maps here. So tap on location, tap on while using the app or widgets. So enable also precise location. So after enabling this, so guys, the next solution is disable your Bluetooth. So open settings and tap on Bluetooth here. So turn this off. So guys, after all this doing, so if you have storage issue on your iPhone, this error will come. So guys, check your storage on iPhone. So I have many storage available in my iPhone. So guys, this the last method is, and it will 100% work on your iPhone. It's go to settings, go to general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network settings, tap on reset network setting. So guys, after resetting network settings, so guys, it will fix your issue. So guys, these simple solutions will fix your iPhone error. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.